name is Corey.
And I'm Danielle, and we're here to welcome you to our channel,
De-Cor Homes.
We're here to help you reach your construction goals.
Teaching you tips and tricks based on decades of experience.
Cutting project times in half by working smart.
Most importantly though, we're here to help you increase your skill set and reach your maximum potential.
In doing so, you'll save tons of money.
From fewer mistakes.
So less materials needed.
And fewer accidents. So no ambulance rides and no missing fingers.
That's pretty dark.
I know. I'm more of a red pill type of guy. When we're playing our videos, we speed up the boring stuff and we keep only the interesting stuff.
Corey doesn't usually miss a beat when he's explaining all the tips and tricks on how to do certain things, finish projects, and stay safe.
You can expect some funnies.
Danielle will be absolutely beautiful 100% of the time. I'm like a 6.5, a 7.
Oh,
but like I'm kind of funny, so like I'm a 7.5.
So brings them up to a 10.
I'm like a 7.5.
Oh, stop it.
In this channel, we go through A to Z on everything that we're working on. We cover everything that I could possibly think of while I'm working on a project. I'm gonna repeat myself like crazy, that's for sure. I find the only way to learn is to listen to repetition, and I'll overload you with information and repeat it 3 times over until it's sunken deep into your skull.
To make sure you're safe.
We'll make sure you're working safely. You'll hear me say the same things over and over again. A job's easier with 2 people, but possible with 1. It cuts like a hot knife through butter. Just be careful and stay safe.
No mistake.
No mistakes.
This is another one that's like at the tip of my tongue. That looks a good one.
Teachable moments.
Yes.
We'll make sure that you're completing projects in a decent amount of time, and before you even start the project, you will be a professional because you'll know the ins and outs of how to complete the project at hand.
I'm your camera woman most of the time.
Yeah, it's true. And the troubleshooter.
And the troubleshooter. You can't go through an episode without giggling at least once.
We're here to make sure that when you show up to the job site, you actually sound like you know what you're talking about.
You don't want to miss out.
Every Wednesday, we'll have a new video.
So you'll have to stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Make it rain and clear it out. Make it rain and clear it out. You'll be entertained. How's that line go?
Are you not entertained?
Oh yeah, that's it. Are you not entertained?
Yeah, that's better.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained?
That's like the Russell Crowe into it.
I don't know who Russell Crowe is.
Oh my. He's the gladiator.
You made it to the end. Make sure you check out our other videos and subscribe. See you next time.